Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for attending our webinar today. As you know, the topic is 5 practical things to do when the diagnosis is dementia.
I'm Jamie Oldham. And I'm Beth Regner. And we are the care coordinators here at Schluter and Hughes Law. And we want to tell you that being a caregiver is hard and it's a lot of work. And a care manager can come along and assist. Nobody has to do this alone. We know that our baby boomer population is the fastest aging population right now. And it's going to double in the next 20 years for individuals that are 85 and older. So what is a care coordinator? We get that question a lot. A care coordinator is really like a glorified daughter for hire. We kind of come in and manage the chaos to take some of the pressure off of the patient advocate.
We can walk into a situation and assess for needs in the home. We can connect families and individuals with dementia with community resources. We have access to reputable home care services and can make excellent recommendations. We can make doctor's appointments. We can attend those doctor's appointments with individuals and then come back and report to the family. So we kind of do, as Jamie said, some of the heavy lifting, carry some of that burden, both the burden of going and doing these things with the individual and also the mental burden of trying to keep track of all these details, medications, appointments, things like that. So we can come in and kind of become part of the family that does the work so that the actual family can be just that, the family.
I'm sure you can all think of a time that your parent has gone to a doctor's appointment and you said, well, what about this? And what about this? And they never brought it up, right? So making sure that we're getting the right information, getting the right test done, and then making their environment a safe environment to live in. So sometimes it's streamlining services that we can bring into their home. If they're trying to stay home, helping them move, if they're trying to find a different living situation. But again, we are advocating for that senior where they are in their life based on their wishes by supporting and taking some of the heavy brunt off that patient advocate.
Correct. Even something as simple as checking the refrigerator for expired food or finding rugs with the corners flipped up that we can remove or put down with rug tape, or even grocery shopping, online groceries, just simple things like that. Noticing if self-care is failing and there might be something going on and reporting that to the family.
Building processes to streamline and simplify and make that a safe living environment for the client.
Correct.
Also, all of our clients that are living at home, it's really important that we have an emergency binder information in their home. So this is a binder that encompasses all their medical records, because really a care coordinator is essentially a phone a friend. So if the senior gets hospitalized, they can call their care coordinator. The family can call the care coordinator to help guide and really help sculpt a really safe discharge plan. Or maybe when discharging from the hospital, we need a complete new living situation. This is where a care manager can be very helpful in guiding the family through that situation.
And we know a lot of facilities and people in the community, so we can recommend places. We can visit rehab facilities if the family is out of town. We can talk to people in the community who know more than we do and get data for families to make the best and most informed decision possible. And I know, even practically speaking, Jamie has gone and sat in the emergency room with a client who had to go to the emergency room and didn't want to be alone. So
anyone that's been in the emergency room knows it's not a place for our elderly. And unfortunately, they spend a lot of time in the emergency room.
It's true. If you think a care coordinator might be right for you and your family, don't hesitate, give our office a call and we can set up a free consultation. You can come into our firm and meet the entire team, or we can come to you, whatever is most convenient.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time.